Hello everyone and welcome back to JT on the Go. Today we are flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro in the city of Valencia, Spain. Valencia is Spain's third largest city with a population of 791,413 people. There is one site specifically that we are going to fly over, and that is the Ciudad de las Artes, las Ciencias. This building here is the Queen Sofia Palace of Arts, which is an opera house, performing arts center, and urban landmark designed by Santiago Calatrava to anchor the northwest end of the City of Arts and Sciences in Valencia. It opened on October 8, 2005. The building up ahead is the Museo de Ciencias Príncipe Felipe, which is a science museum. The Pontal Assault de Ore is a bridge that carries road traffic. The blue building in the distance is the El Agora Culture Center. It has a museum, culture center, library, medical clinics, bike parking, workshops, state park, as well as open green areas. The Hemispheric is an IMAX theater. The El Umbrasil, which is located on the right side of the lake, is a community garden. If you want to know one way on how to get here, the Metro Valencia Line 10 can bring you conveniently to this place. The closest stop here is the Ciutat Artes y Sienas Justica station. All of these buildings make up the Valencia Arts and Sciences district. This place is actually the most important and modern place in the city of Valencia, and one of the 12 treasures Spain has to offer. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and follow on Instagram for more. This is JT on the Go signing off.